Motorola has recently launched the Motorola Edge 30 Pro in India, which went on sale for the first time earlier this month. The premium smartphone from the Lenovo-owned company is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and was marketed as the cheapest flagship device in India. Now the company is rumored to expand its Edge series in the country. The company is likely to launch 3 more smartphones to the Edge series, which includes the Motorola Edge 30, Edge 30 Lite and Edge 30 Extra. Reports suggest that the key specifications of the Motorola Edge 30 has been leaked online and may even arrive sooner than the other 2 phones in the series. The Motorola Edge 30 will be the successor to the Edge 20, which was launched along with the Edge 20 Pro in October 2021. It is speculated to be a little less premium and even less expensive than the Edge 30 Pro. As per the reports, Motorola Edge 30 is likely to sport a 6.55-inch POLED Full HD Plus panel with 144Hz refresh rate support. The smartphone may come powered by a mid-range processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus processor backed with up to 8GB RAM and 256GB internal memory. It is expected to house a triple rear camera setup that will include a 50-megapixel primary camera, 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 2-megapixel depth assist lens, and will also feature a 32-megapixel shooter selfie.